Making your cone ice cream at home is way more simpler than a lot of people think. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to make this with just few ingredients. Hello Sweet Fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your cone ice cream from the comfort of your home. Let's get right into it. These are the ingredients you need. That is our homemade condensed milk, our flavor, that's strawberry flavor, and our whipping cream with our whipper. So in the pot, you're just going to add your homemade condensed milk. If you want to know how I made my homemade condensed milk, the video is up on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to add a cup of my whipped cream and also a cup of cold water. You need to make sure your water is cold. Then we're just going to start to whip this. So I'm just going to whip this continuously for about 15 minutes until it looks like this, or until it starts to become fluffy. After whipping it for 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. It has gotten to the consistency that I want. So we're just going to add our other ingredient, which is our flavor. So I'm just going to use just 2 tablespoons of strawberry flavor, and then I'm going to whip this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm just going to stop and then take a look at this. This has gotten to what I wanted. So I'm just going to bring out my bowl and then scoop it inside my bowl. And then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to refrigerate between 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, this is what we have. My ice cream is all frozen up. So I'm just going to bring out my cone. That's the cone we're using. That is our nozzle to give us the shape. Then that's my mashed biscuits and our diced chocolate. And these are all the things I'm using. So I'm just going to, and also our Ziploc nylon. So I'm just going to add my nozzle to the side of the nylon just like this, and we're just going to cut that side open. So I'm just going to add my crushed biscuits and also chocolates to it and then mix together. So I'm just going to pour it inside my Ziploc nylon, just like that. So I'm just going to start to press it out. Mind you, I would suggest you use a strong nylon because I had to double it, because while I was pressing it, a lot of it spoiled, so I just had to redo it. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. So for my toppings, I use crushed Oreos and also diced chocolate for the toppings, and this is what we have. So let me know what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch my other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.